Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not available on Picsart. To know how to fix or how to solve not available on Picsart app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window of Picsart. Then you can click on first tab and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for